Okay, so let's have a look at how you'd find your grades and review your grades and other assignments because this is important. Um, if I look over here, and every course will be set up just a tiny bit different. If you don't see it, ask your teacher. You should see one that says My Grades. That's really important. That's what we're looking at today. You'll have the home page, you will have the Start Here, and you will have the learning units. So how do I know what I need to get done this particular week? I click on Learning Units, and well, let's see, this says week 13, but if I look at my syllabus, I know I'm not in week 13, and it says very specifically what's going on here. I'm in module 3, and I need to look at, let's see. So I've got some, on this front page, it says, here's what I'm looking for. On the left, I've got a list of everything that's in here. This is going to be helping me read the chapter and knowing what's important. Articles, videos, support information, practice and reinforce. Now this, if you look at it, this is going to be important to help you understand, but it's not graded. Here it says graded assignments. This is a list of everything that you have to do. You click on this folder and you go into here. These are the things that you're going to get a grade for. Okay, so let me try. If I go into graded assignments, let me try looking at Lab 3-2 for the heck. Okay, and it says click to launch. Okay, so when I launch that, it opens up in Cengage in BlackBoard. That will be all of your Savannah Tech CIST courses. Okay, when it comes into here, it may take you directly to an assignment, or it may take you to the home page. This time it took me to a home page, and it's all right. But I'm looking for Lab 3-2, upgrading memory. So I should not have any issues trying to find my assignment. It's in 3. Depending on how your teacher has this set up, if you click on the week view, it might or might not show you that you have some assignments that are due here, and it's due on the week. But I do want to caution you here. If you see it here and you say, oh no, I missed it, double check in BlackBoard, because sometimes the things that are in Cengage are not in BlackBoard. But let me see. And so then I look over here at my grades, and I obviously, this one I did not do so well. And I can see right here, these are my grades. And if I click this, well, by golly, it just starts the attempt. That's not a lot of help. But I can click Review. And when I click Review, I can see on the detailed review exactly what I got right, exactly what I got wrong, and you should always review that before you redo it. Okay, so I had half of these, I had 1 out of 2 questions correct on question 1, nothing here. So I can see these are the questions I had errors on. Let me go back over to BlackBoard, because now I've looked at my gradebook here in Cengage, and you can click Open Gradebook and see everything in Cengage there also. So you've got a detailed view of this is everything that I've done in Cengage, and what have I not got a grade for, what have I got a 0 for, and again, you just double check real quick in Blackboard. But coming over here to Blackboard, if I click on My Grades, this may be more or less or confusing. If you're trying to look only at the things you desperately need to worry about, click on Graded, and then just scroll down here. Do you see any zeros? Okay, I see a 0 for 2-7 testing mode. Okay, didn't I just see that in Cengage? I certainly did. So I ran behind a week, and I need to ask my instructor if I can catch this up. Okay, same thing for the Module 2 test. Now there are some others that are upcoming. In general, I want to choose all, and I want to make sure that it is ordered by course order. So I can scroll down and see where I am in my current class. Okay, that will tell me everything that I need to worry about. And of course, check your syllabus to see how and why that's important. Okay. Now, wait a minute. I still have no clue what my grade is. Usually, if you go all the way to the bottom, you don't want to look at total. That doesn't mean anything. But weighted total is your current grade. And you have no reason to just say, I've got a C. Instead, you need to double check and see what you did where you missed it or where you have a chance to redo it. Okay?